Hello and welcome to CS50's Introduction to Game Development, Assignment 6, Angry Birds, the Tri-Shot Update or Tree-Shot Update. In this video I will explain my solution for this assignment, and luckily it's a rather short one. So the objective here is implement it such that when the player presses the spacebar after they've launched an alien and it hasn't hit anything yet, split the alien into 3 aliens that all behave just like the base alien. So yeah, hopefully you already watched the lecture and you know the game, so Angry Birds with aliens. And let's jump into the code for the changes I made. First, we will look into alien launch marker, where we replace the self.alien with the self.aliens with a table in order that we can have multiple aliens or keep track of multiple aliens, because we need multiple of them later. And of course, you have to change everything which relates to self.alien so that it works with a table. For example, when spawning an alien after the mouse was released, I added a local variable alien and then we insert it into the aliens table. So we insert only one alien per default. And of course, also rendering is done for all aliens if the body is not destroyed. Let's look into level for the major changes here. So I introduced a flag called player had contact, which is false on default. And in the callback function begin contact, so this is called when a body is having contact with something, or actually a fixture, I guess. And then we look into the user data, and if one of the two objects is a player, we just simply set the player had contact variable to true. This means as long the alien has no contact, it's false, and as it has hit the ground or the wall or anything else, this will be set to true. So now we can keep track of whether we hit anything yet, because we only are allowed to split into 3 aliens if we have not hit anything. Perfect. Now we will look into the logic how to spawn the other aliens, which is in leveled up update. Yeah, so if self.launchMarker launched, we check whether space was pressed and the player had no contact. Then we spawn 2 aliens, one above and one below the main alien. Therefore, we iterate over a table of 2 velocity modifiers for the y value. So the positive y value is for the alien below, and the negative y value is for the alien above. So here we create 2 aliens, and I made an inline table here with the velocities for the y-axis. So we have 80 and minus 80. I figured out that this works really well. And then we get the position of the main alien, so the alien which is already here, and also the velocity. And then we create a new alien and set its velocity to the same as the main alien, but a bit more for the x direction. Thought this is quite nice. And then we also add some more velocity to the y-axis. One time we add plus 80, so from here, and one time we subtract 80, so we have one alien above and below, basically. Then these parameters are also the same as for the main alien, and then we insert them into the aliens table. And then we look into all aliens, or loop through all aliens, and if the body is not destroyed, we look whether it stopped moving, or we fired it far to the left or to the right, which is what I added here, because if we have 3 aliens, it's likely that one alien will drop off the right side of the screen, and then you have to wait very long, or maybe it even rolls from the ground, and then you have to wait an infinite time. So aliens which have an X position of virtual width plus alien size greater than virtual width plus alien size will be destroyed, or which are done rolling. Then we destroy the body, and if an alien is destroyed, then we simply remove it from the table, basically. And if we have no more aliens in our table, we create a new launch marker, or if also the enemy aliens are 0, we change the state to start. So that's everything here. Let's jump into the game for a short demo. Okay, so I click for start. Okay, so this is the implementation which was already there. And now if I shoot and press space, we get 3 aliens and victory. And yeah, as you see, if one stops rolling, it gets despawned, and here also the last one. We have to wait for the last one, and then yeah, start state again. And yeah, we can experiment here. And all of the aliens, of course, behave like the original one and have collision and so on. And we won again. So it's pretty easy to win now with 3 aliens. And you can really shoot like, yeah, over this obstacle here. But yeah, it works. And of course, it should not be possible to spawn multiple times, so I am hitting space now the whole time, but nothing happens, so it's only working once. And of course, it also should not be possible to spawn the aliens after we hit something, so if I hit the ground and press space, okay, nothing happens. We still win, but splitting is only allowed as we have not hit anything. And this is ensured by the flag I created. Fine. Okay, thank you for watching. This one was a really short one. I hope that my idea was helpful for you. Yeah, be sure to experiment on your own and be creative. And see you in the next assignment. Bye.